Shorts. Swimming on lane 2 is Dinglasan Dylan Conrad of Sharpedo Swim Team. Swimming on lane 3 is Stuart David Andrew of Nueva Ecija Baby Shorts. Swimming on lane 4 is Bakian Magiting Isaiah of Corellan Aqua Spirit Swim. Swimming on lane 5 is Santos Carl Hayden of Beta Caloocan Swimming Team. Swimming on lane 6 is Onishi Tinan Ichiro of Sharpedo Swim Team. Swimming on lane 7 is Cortez Aaron Yaem of Nueva Ecija Baby Shorts. And swimming on lane 8 is Nolia Kaylan of Andre Pirana Swim Team.